What's up, guys? We are back at Neil's place and we're here to pick up my car. I miss her so much. She's running E85. Here she is. Best license plate ever, right? Alright, let's go say hi to Neil. Let's see what's up. Bo. What's up? What's up? Hey, Bo. What's up?
See a blue car crew out there?
Yeah, I did it with the license plate.
Noah just left too, dude, so there's
Really?
another blue car.
Yeah. Dude, the license plate on the blue one is hilarious. Whose car is that?
Oh, the
Now Kid.
Yeah, I saw that too when we came. I was like, oh my god.
the dude from Zach.
Oh my god. I saw that, I died. Come here, Bo. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. So my car's all good?
It's good, it is quick.
It's really?
I took it home last night, did like a cold start kind of test. It starts decently for being on E85.
Right.
It was probably 50 degrees, 45 degrees, whatever. But keep that in mind, if you're gonna drive when it's cold, it might take 2 times to start up.
Yeah, I figured.
And it'll blah, 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 and then it starts up fine. But
Cool.
yeah, third gear at like 3,500, 4,000 feels really good, like almost supercharger like.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Yeah, you actually are all set. I can give you a key.
Yes. Give me my keys. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, dude.
No worries.
Appreciate it. Oh, I will.
Let me know how it feels.
I will. All right, let's do this. She's so dirty. All right. All right, guys, we are finally back in the car. It is filled with E85. Oh God, Neil likes to see. Filled with E85. I had the tune done. I left it over for about a week over at Neil's because he had to get the tune done with Zach. Start. Aw, he filled up the tank for me. That's so nice. Alright, so we're gonna do our first drive on E85. Okay. I'm gonna have my friend Keyoung hold the camera. Yeah. So E85, as that corn smell, as you guys know, it's just, well, it's ethanol. It's made out of corn. You smell it?
Yeah, I smell it.
Yeah. So it's supposed to. The car's supposed to run better, more knock resistant. There's supposed to be a little bit more power. I think with the headers, it's supposed to be like anywhere between like a 20 to 30 horsepower increase. More torque around the mid-range. So let's check it out. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's good. That feels like when it had the supercharger on. But I don't have the supercharger anymore. That feels pretty fast. It's not as loud either. Like it's definitely quieter than when it's on 91.
I like it.
I like it. That flex fuel E85 life.
That corn smell though.
That corn smell though.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, queen.
So for those of you who don't know, who are joining us for the first time, I went with the delicious flex fuel kit. So generally, like you can run E85 using like an open flash tablet if you want. Me personally, I like going with the flex fuel kit, just because it allows flexibility. Duh, you know, in the name. It allows you to basically run 91 if there's no E85 nearby, which is really, really good. Or you can even run a mixture. So that for me is like really important. And yeah, I like the way the car feels on E85. It feels really good. And supposedly the car like is actually going to be a little bit more reliable with it on E85, which is really cool. And from a lot of the research that I've done, a lot of the people I've talked to, and in the forum posts, you can run E85 for a long time. I think there's a guy on the forums who's been running E85 for like 50,000 miles. This like reminds me of the time when I got the headers installed. Like that was a good power bump then. This honestly feels like a weaker version of the Edelbrock. So to be perfectly honest, like part of me actually kind of regrets getting the supercharger, only because like I could have just done this for significantly cheaper and I would have been happy with it. Because like sure, it's not like as fast, but I'm probably like this actually kind of feels like the S2000. So I'm definitely like in S2000 like territory. It doesn't pull quite as hard. The S2000 definitely still had more torque, especially up in the higher range. You know, obviously because of the VTEC. But yeah, this is good. This is really good. I like it a lot. I'll probably be dailying this for like the next week or so, just because like good stuff. But yeah, super short video today, guys. Nothing super crazy. Just wanted to give you my first thoughts on E85. This is the first time this car has been on E85, and I think she loves it. So it's good. I'm gonna head back. Gonna get some coffee, and I will see you guys on the next.